Year 6, Konnichiwa. Lesson 6. We're carrying on with the work that we did yesterday. I've put a little note here for you guys. It's exactly the same method as lesson 5, but now we need to count on all the way up to £20, and the prices that you're being asked to work out are slightly more complicated, okay? But I have every faith in you. So our example, you can see I've got my prices here, okay, for all my different foods. So my example is you're going to buy 2 lasagnas, you've got 2 portions of peas and 2 portions of chips. So before you work out how much change you get, you obviously need to work out how much this lot is costing you. Okay, so if we go down, you can see here, my 2 lasagnas, £6.80, 2 portions of peas were £1.04p, 2 portions of chips, £1.98. So my total cost was £9.82, and now I need to work out my change. So you can see underneath here, how I've done it is I started with my cost, £9.82. I added on the pence to get up to the next whole pound. And then from that whole pound, it was really easy then to get to £20. So my 2 jumps were £10 and 18 pence. So if I add those together, I get £10.18. And that is my change. Now, if you found that too easy, once you've done this part, the calculation, which I imagine you'll need to do as a column addition, okay? But if you found working out the change too easy, just have a go doing it in your heads, okay? Just work on your mental math skills. But if you need to do the jumps like this, that's absolutely fine. So if we go down to what I'm asking you guys to work out today, there you go, I put the change there as well. What's that? Don't want to give you the answers yet. Okay, so I've given you a tip there. I just said work out the cost of each first, then work out the change from £20. And like I said, if you find it too easy, do it in your heads. All right? So you've got your 5 problems there. The last one is slightly different. You can see I haven't given you an order. I've just asked you how many Kievs you can buy for £20. So pause the screen here. Get cracking, work out all your answers, and then press play when you're ready to go through the answers. Okay, fantastic. So, if we go down underneath now. Okay, so, yep, you can see all that there. The only thing, I'll tell you what I'll do. I will bring this down. Just so you can see what I've done. Okay, so, bring that down a little bit. There you go. Okay. So the first one, 3 lasagnas, 3 peas, 3 chips. Cost me £14.23, change £5.77. The next one, 2 Kievs, 2 nut roast, 2 chips, 2 garlic bread, cost me £14.10p, change was £5.90. C, the vegetarians like me, we had 4 nut roasts, 3 portions of beans, 4 portions of garlic bread. That came to £15.63, change £4.37. D, 4 lasagnas, 4 garlic breads. That cost £16.64, change was £3.36. And how many Kievs can I buy for £20? Okay, Kievs cost me £2.80, I could buy 7. And if I bought those 7, you can see there it came to £19.60. There was a couple of ways of doing it for the Kievs question. Okay, you could have done a division, all right, and seen how many, if you divided £20 by £2.80. Slightly more complicated that way. The way I did it, okay, if I do it underneath, if I knew that 1 Kiev cost me £2.80, so I just did a little thing like this. I said 1 cost me £2.80. 2 Kievs therefore would double to £5.60. If I doubled the 2 to get 4 Kievs, well, they cost me double £5.60, which is £11.20. Can you see what I'm doing? And then rather than go into 8, because I know that would be too many, I added 4 Kievs and 2 Kievs together to get 6 Kievs. So I need to add these 2 numbers together. So I get that. And then if I add on 1 more Kiev to get 7 Kievs, I add that on, 16, and I get £19.60. And I know that I can't add any more Kievs on. There was probably 1,000,001 different ways of getting that answer 7 Kievs. Hopefully you did too. Those of you that didn't know, Konnichiwa is Japanese for hello. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.